Okay. What do you want? Grandma's looking at me and pointing. Just say what you want, hon. Here, I'll just watch Grandma do it. Needs to be over a little bit. I'll get it. Here, I'll do it. I'll just put that nice wheel on there. It's a little easier. Not a lot, but a little. Usually right up there. Hey, welcome to Papa John's World. We're gonna split a load of wood today, and we have our little black diamond wood splitter, and it's got a 4-way wedge on it. That saves us quite a bit of time. I just wanted to say a little bit about the wood splitter. When I start with the log, and this is probably about a 10-inch log, when I give it the handle to go, I'll usually push the log against my hip and I'll lift it up just slightly. And the reason why, if you leave these down all the way in this particular splitter, when that wedge hits that, it kind of drives it into the bottom, into these grooves down here, and it makes that bottom piece of wood a little bit too big for what I want. So by starting that split there, and that does 2, 3, 4, and then the 2 big chunks that are on top, I hit them again with the 4-way. So we get 2 on the bottom and 4 on each side. So we get 10 pieces of wood out of a log about this size. And typically, if you were splitting for firewood, you'd get 4 pieces out of this for firewood. And we have a stack that represents that a little bit better. That's that, and that's all more firewood type wood. Some of it's small, but most of it's bigger. Okay, I think we'll get ready to start splitting some wood. We use a return stop on the splitter. What that does, it stops the wedge more like right here instead of all the way back. It just saves a little bit of time. And then I take the return stop off just with I use a quick attach and suck the cylinder all the way back for storage. So I have about an inch or so on that log. It may vary a little bit, so that's pretty good. Sorry about the wind. It's starting to blow. Hey, thanks for watching Papa John's World. We're going to finish this tomorrow. Ain't no sense doing everything in one day. Anyway, thanks for watching Papa John's World, and be safe.